Oliver's been out running around all day, right, Oliver? Look at all the little babies. Woohoo! Perfectly packaged, huh? Yo. I want this. Should we do a live plant? I don't think I've ever bought this before. Oh yeah! Although, right now they're gonna go into their tank. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. Today I ordered this on Amazon. I'm not gonna tell you what this is yet. I actually ordered it like 2 months ago. We've done many videos similar to this one, buying the world's smallest saltwater aquarium. A bunch of different videos, and this is something like that. Except for it's not like that. We're gonna use all of our boxes of previous fish buying as a table. I still have yet to open this thing 2 months later. But wait, before we go any further, let's take a word from today's video sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Raycon. Raycon provides innovative earbud designs at prices that will not break the bank. Raycon offers their earbuds in a range of fun colors and patterns. Super comfortable and come in a variety of fit options. Raycon is great if you want to just slip in some nice, comfortable earbuds, listen to your favorite tunes, and ignore all the distractions. I also use these for something I do every single day, and that is edit my YouTube videos. The one you're watching right now. You pop these in, grab your computer, and get to work. The new everyday earbuds offer a new and improved oil look and feel, and optimized gel tips for the perfect fit. Raycon offers 8 hours of playtime, 32 hours of battery life, seamless Bluetooth pairing, and a much more compact design. It's also got a built-in mic which allows you to take calls with just the press of a button. Wait, did you just say Raycon starts at only half the price of other premium audio brands? Thanks, whoever you are on the phone. And to be honest with you, these things sound just as good, if not better, than anything I've ever used. Raycon also has a free 45-day return policy, so yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory right there. Now go to the link in the description or go to buyraycon.com/Paul Cuffaro. That is buyraycon.com/Paul Cuffaro, and get up to 20% off. Again, thank you Raycon for sponsoring today's video. It's awesome to work with companies that you actually have used in the past. Top link in the description, Cuffaros, and I will see you, in 2 seconds in the video. Impressively packaged, huh? Yo! That's sick, dude. It smells good. Look what I got. A triple aquarium. It literally holds 3 different tanks, and it has these dividers in the middle that you can put in and take out. I've wanted one of these for a very long time. It reminds me of like the tanks you see at fish stores because the fish are only in here for so long. A little bit of ASMR. This is the worst ASMR I've ever seen in my life. Oh, talk about ASMR. The bottom of this coming off. Almost. Perfectly clear piece of glass now. That goes right there. This is really, really cool. Anyway, what today's video is about is this triple aquarium here. I call it the triple aquarium because it has 1, 2, 3 different slots, and if you want it to be one full aquarium, you pop the 2 dividers out and you have 1 full aquarium. I love doing new things, ordering new things. This is gonna be awesome. We're gonna scape this sucker up and then get something for it. We're not gonna be doing like betta fish or something, which you very easily could put in here, but I'm not gonna put betta fish in it just because it's a little small. What I will do is get like something else. I can't spoil it. Be ready, stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome. I know you guys love when I order stuff on Amazon, so let's go to the store, get stuff to escape this. We are here at the fish store. I honestly didn't know that they had the amount of like mini thing. Look at it. It is a mini filter. Over here they have a legit mini sponge filter. So we have 2 options here. We can do the sponge filter or the little overhang filter. What do you think? This thing's higher than the tank itself. Once this tube is in, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. This is really, really cool though. I kinda wanna buy it just to have it. It's only $10.
Buy it then, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy it.
Yeah,
we might need it later on. No, you know what? No, we're not gonna. Yeah, I'll buy it.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
It's not a filter that we need. This is what we're gonna use for the tank today. It's 3 times the size of it. I want this. I don't know why I want it, but I do. Reminds me of the good old days when I used to go catch lizards outside. We should get Oliver something. We have to get Oliver something.
He's too cute not to.
He is. I know exactly what to get Oliver. Oliver is our ferret, if you didn't know who Oliver was. We have this right here, the little ferret bed, is gonna be perfect to go up there. So we're just shopping here. We're gonna get this. We bought this for some odd reason for Paul to catch lizards off camera, unless you want to see that. And then we have what we really came here for, is the small filter. We also need substrate, dude. What am I thinking? I'm losing track here.
Maybe fish too.
Dude, should we do a live plant? All natural tank? What do we get? This is cool. We'll get some of that. Preferably, this is the substrate I would want to use. But it's $30, so we're not doing that. We got orange, we got this cotton candy looking colors. Dude, this is really cool. I want to like switch it up, you know, usually we do like that natural. I mean, we did buy live plants though. Can't do this color with live plants. That would not work. I think we go with some black sand, man. This is perfect. Black sand is our substrate. Playing Jenga with all the stuff we're buying today. We of course left with more than we came for. Let's check out. Thank you, sir. It has been raining all day, literally all day. As you can see, it's raining sideways right now. Boom! Back at the fish room, we have the aquarium here. Now, with this filter in specific, we're gonna need to take these out. It's gonna all be one aquarium. Still looks awesome. All of our goodies. First step into making our aquarium is obviously substrate. We gotta rinse this substrate out, and then we're gonna put some black sand at the bottom of this. A little more. It's a little weird to me that they didn't have a filter that came with this. It's the only part of this whole aquarium that I'm a little confused about. Hence why we had to go out and buy our own filter. This has to go like right here, and I wish I had like a little pump that would go back here, but it didn't come with anything to go in the back little sump area. Look at this little tiny aquarium filter. Now we have our live plants as well that we're gonna put in. Probably this little brush type of plant. It's called a Dwarf hairgrass. Oh my gosh, that looks really cool. We're gonna plant it all around the back of the aquarium. I love getting live plants. I used to not like it, but then I fell in love with live plants. Actually, this entire betta fish tank has live plants, although it's a bit dirty right now. When Tommy came to clean the tank, he didn't put the skate back the way I had it. Look at that, popped right out. This is called, yeah, that. This is gonna be like the nice greenery, the nice finishing touch on this aquarium. That looks awesome. It honestly came out a lot better than I thought. We have our little hedges in the back here, and then our nice green live plant right here in the front. Our filters on the side, or they'll just filter through. And this thing will be ready to have whatever we do get for it. I can't spoil that, of course, here soon. Just know, whatever we get for it is not going to be like a fish that needs a lot of space. Got some RO water here with me. Gotta be nice and careful. Oh my goodness, this is so heavy. That was actually a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be, I'm not gonna lie. I need to probably hit the gym. All this sand floats at the surface, so you gotta just break it up. All right, so the tank looks amazing, right? A couple things I did not know didn't come with it. I wish this came with a lid. I wish it came with a lid. I also wish it came with this optional to put in, this back piece, so that all of it would just be one little acrylic piece. Unfortunately, it's not, so it has this sump area that's gonna be useless because I don't have a filter that fits. Leads us to the next thing I wish it came with, filter. Although we found this little filter at the pet store, which came in clutch. Let's see it do its thing. Oh yeah! She's pumping! What an interesting build. One of the coolest parts about doing little things like this, some of you are probably like, that is the smallest aquarium I've ever seen, and it probably is. Although I've done a couple others that are really small, this is really, really tiny. I did this tank in specific for one reason. I wanted to get a couple things. And this leads us to when that time comes. I'm gonna let this tank cycle, and once this is cycled, we will go get what I've been talking about getting this whole entire time. First, I wanna give Oliver his, oh, I think he's out right now. He is out right now. Anyway, put this bed up here because there's nothing up here. I know exactly where he is too. Oh, look at it. He's right there, dude. Ferrets and their couches, man. Oliver's been out running around all day, right, Oliver? So cute. I just got him under the couch. But I got him a new bed, so I'm gonna put him in his cage. Oliver, look, new bed. Isn't that cool? Look at him. He's gonna lay in it already. Or not. All right, we're gonna get this tank cycling now, but I do wanna throw you to the farm, and then after the farm, it'll be like a couple weeks from now, and we'll be all caught up. Look at all the little babies. Woohoo! Dude, that is truly just insane. It looks like I'm feeding whales. We are out here in the wild with Jeremy Wade. Oh my gosh, they came right up this time. Hi. This weather is nasty. It's raining. really hard and it's really wet. I'm gonna go inside. Kevin, how you doing, Kev? I'm not talking to you, Gary. All right. Oh yeah, we found him right there. Look at him, all sitting on these little pieces of wood and rock here. Ghost shrimp. Oh, that's a nice front poster right there too. Cool, just the shrimp for me today. Some glowfish. That's my favorite right there. Good old platies. More platies. Mollies. Look at all these. Look at them all. Yeah, coming soon. Koi fish. We got some big gouramis. Look at that gourami. Thank you. Appreciate it. Look at all the little shrimp. Put you right there. Now, ghost shrimp. People feed these to fish, which I probably will end up doing eventually. This is like a little holding fish tank for ghost shrimp. Although ghost shrimps are super cool to keep, typically you'd buy like different types of shrimp to keep as pets. These again are feeder shrimp, but it was the perfect thing for today's aquarium. These guys are gonna look awesome in here, and eventually I probably won't keep this tank for too long because like I mentioned, these are going to be feeders eventually. Although, right now they're gonna go into their tank. What do you think of that, Mia? You're like, yeah? Ghost shrimp are always the hardest to get out of the bag. They like stick to the bag, but we got them all out and it looks amazing. Although I messed up the plants, I gotta put those back in. Check it, look at them all. Check it, look at that. The shrimp are flustered and they are just vibing in there. I mean, they got live plants, some bushes to hide in the back, nice filtered. Although there's still a lot of air bubbles down there, these shrimp are gonna pop them all. Look at them all just hanging out. They look so cool. I love ghost shrimp. Now typically these shrimp will actually have their babies on their belly. That's how shrimp carry their babies. Let me just pop a picture up, I'll show you. In this case, I don't see any big pregnant females in my tank. Typically, sometimes they'll actually give them to you and they're pregnant. One is in the back part of the sump right here. He must have went through. Little ghost shrimp tank is complete. Super awesome. Little feeder fish tank. Congrats to Antonio for winning our GoPro. I try to give away stuff as much as I possibly can. This is our like 3rd or 4th GoPro giveaway. Congrats, Antonio. This will be shipped to your house immediately. I think I'm gonna be doing the new iPhone giveaway next. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe down below. If you wanna see the iPhone giveaway, smash the like button. By the way, if you want to get some PC merch for yourself, I rep it in all my videos. Go to paulcuffarobrand.com. The link is down in the description down below as well. Thanks again, Raycon, for sponsoring today's video. If you want to get up to 20% off, check out the links down below, and I will see you back here in the next one. Peace! Snake would be cool. I used to have a red bearded dragon python beard. Used to have one.